तुमकां खबर आसतली आख्ख्या भारतान जे एक्स सर्विसमॅन आसा there is a big problem for ex-servicemen as far as the cashless facility in Empennal hospital is concerned. So jenna हांव आतां रक्षा मंत्रीक मेळ्ळो, so I said, sir, I had given one letter to you. He said, नहीं. He said, I am feeling very sorry. वो प्रॉब्लम हुआ, दोबारा वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. He said, I read your letter. I said, sir, और एक मैं लेटर दे रहा हूँ, लेकिन इसमें सजेशंस है, इसमें सब सजेशन है कि दोबारा ये प्रॉब्लम ना आए. So immediately he called his staff, one ES officer. He said, please take note of all the suggestions to ensure this ECHS problem does not happen again. And he was very positive on that. So let's hope this problem across India is solved. Ex-servicemen with their family members can avail of cashless facility and